This time, we tested outdoor scanning under the sunlight. Scan this model by Turntable plus handle mode. The first scan with the model in shadow, then start to scan. Now, let's take a look at the results. With the second scan, we can see that the model is now under the sunlight, then start to scan. Alright, look at the results. We can see that the results are pretty much the same as the first scan. According to the two tests, it can be safe to say that the sunlight does not affect the scanning results.